The 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.